Hi guys, please subscribe and press the bell icon for instant notification of our new videos. Hi guys, we are here with our second tutorial. This one is for Ektara. So let's begin. So this choreography starts from your right profile. Okay, you have to call somebody. Call with your right hand, at the same time your right leg steps out. Call and take a turn from your left shoulder and place the hand on your heart. From here, you're going to put your right hand forward, left leg back, make a semicircle and end it here. Okay. From here, you're going to go circle, circle, your head roll. The first head roll is in place. The second one is while turning. Okay. And your other hand joins here. So on music, on lyrics, it's going to go 5, 6, 7, go. Ore manva tu to babra hai. Right, left. Your shoulders will go right, left. This is in a blank space. Okay, there are no lyrics here. So right, left. So when we join the steps, it looks like Ore manva tu to babra hai. And you join your other hand. Okay, here and go right, left. That's a shoulder wave. 1, 2. Moving ahead, you're going to step your right leg and point with your left hand. So you're going to go point and now do the opposite, point. From here, you're going to go right and back. So right, back, this is slightly faster step. From here, you're going to go, only your right hand will go up while your right leg opens and sit on your right bum while your left hand joins in here. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're going to sway and sway your body and now put your hand on your waist and you're going to go step, step, step. I stepped my right leg, left leg and center. So now from the beginning it goes on the lyrics. Ore manva tu to babra hai. तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है ठक ठक ठक. So you finish here. Now again it says तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है. You're gonna flick your right leg and touch with your right hand. Flick, cross it, and left leg goes out diagonally pointing. Okay. From here with your left hand make a circle and sit on your left knee. And your hands will come here. And you're going to sway back and forward. Okay. From here to get up, your movement of hand is this. While you get up, you have to do this. So move and profile. From here, you're going to step your left leg and at the same time left hand. Okay. And then place your right hand over your left hand. Take a turn and while taking a turn, your hands open. Okay. So you are here 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3. From here, left hand, right hand and you look down. From here you're going to go 1 and back. Music is still left, so you go a right and a left. From here on the lyrics it goes क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जागते ठक ठक. Moving on to the next section, she says जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद. You're going to go towards your left side. You're going to snatch something from the air and bring it in. Okay. And I'm going this on the left side. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2. And I'm going to hop towards your right side and go hop, hop. And you do more hands. Okay. So left, right. From here, you're going to step your right leg out and at the same time cover your face. Go 1, 2. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Same step, you just do this step thrice, 1 and 2 to go 3, 4. So you did 5, 6, 7, go. जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद. From here, she says again, सपने बरसे बूंद बूंद. So you're going to go सपने ठक ठक. Okay, this is again a slightly faster step in breathe. So this is slow, slow, fast, fast to go water, water. Make a wave twice. Water, water. Now go back with your right leg and your hands are going to go right forward, left on your eye. And switch the hand and your left leg joins at the same time. So 5, 6, 7, go. जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को from your right, left joins the right hand. So tap tap. I'm not going to do both the sapne barse boond boond. 5, 6, 7, go. जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद जो बरसे सपने मूंद मूंद नैनों को बूंद बूंद. From here, you're going to push your hand down. I'm just showing the hands first. Down. Say kya. Pull something and clap. Okay. Your hands are going to go down. Kya. Pull together. With the legs, no leg. Leg. Right leg going back. Pull and join. Okay. So, on the lyrics, it's a little bit faster, so it goes कैसे मैं कहूँ. Okay, it's that fast. कैसे मैं कहूँ. From here, you're going to travel left diagonal, okay? And your right leg will step first, and you're going to look. So look, and your right leg will cross back, and right hand will come forward. So you travel. So 5, 6, 7, go. कैसे मैं कहूँ देख ना सकूँ. From your अनजाने रास्ते, she says, okay? You're going to do अनजाने facing the audience here. अनजाने, now come back center while taking 2 turns. 1 and 2. Okay? So, on the lyrics, the whole section, 5, 6, 7, go. कैसे मैं कहूँ देख ना सकूँ अनजाने रास्ते. Let's take it from the top till where we have learned. It's still the chorus, okay? 5, 6, 7, go. और मन तू तो बावरा है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है. बावरे क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जागते, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद नैनों को मूंद, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद. कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते. Moving on to the last section of the song, the chorus part. There are 2 chorus that comes in the song. I'm going to teach you first the first chorus and then the second. 5, 6, 7, go. Your hands are here, okay? This is your position. These are your hands. You are here. From here, you're going to go right, left and tap at the same time. So, right, left, make a flower and come back center. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, take your right leg आगे and your right hand goes there and back, left and back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Travel आगे. Your one hand is on your ear and you're going to go travel, travel. And you're going to do the same step that we did in the beginning. This one, but your hands are going to go circle and center. Okay, joining both the steps. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, ta-ra-ra, ta-ra-ra. 1, 2, 3, 4, ta-ra-ra. From here, you're going to go 1, make a flower, 2, make a flower. After this, it's a little typical step. Let's learn the hands first. Your hands are going to go, both the hands will go diagonally down, then left diagonally up, right diagonally up, and left diagonally down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And your legs will just do 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And try that your head follows your hand along with it. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, go. Tap, 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 tap. Okay. So it looks like 1 and 2 and tap, 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 tap. It's little fast. Okay. Now the last part of this chorus is your left hand is already here. Just take it on your shoulder level. Make a circle with your right hand. Join it to go hop and hop. Okay, so you did a hop and a hop. This is the first part of the chorus. Now let me try and sing this for you all. So you go 5, 6, 7, go. गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा. From here, this is the super last part of the choreography. You're gonna go 1, okay, and turn from your right shoulder and 2, okay, and then travel towards the left side and go 3, 4. Same thing we're going to do with our left hand. Left, turn over the left shoulder and go left, left. So she says, धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा. So when you finish that, it again says गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा. We're going to repeat our step. गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा. To end, we're going to go गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा. Okay, you're sitting on your left knee and pointing with your right hand up. So now I'm going to do both the chorus together. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा. धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा है कोई एक तारा. We'll take it from the top to the very end. It's a little lengthier choreography, guys. So just try to learn from the step by step I did before this. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. ओरे मनवा तू तो बाबरा है तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है बाबरे क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जागते जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते को गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा. धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा है कोई एक तारा. Do not forget to tag us on Instagram when you post the cover of this video. The information is available in the description below. Thank you.